So we're at the Naivasha Horti Fair, which is an annual event. Every September we have the Horti Fair. And again this year we've had record number of participants, record number of farmers have come to see what's new in agriculture. Launched our very first small-scale folio fertilizers called Planet. Planet is our new brand we launched today, and it's targeting the small farmer with very specific NPK fertilizers, which are great for small-scale farmer who's doing horticulture and cabbages and tomatoes at home. So we've done a lot of new launches today at the horticulture fair in Naivasha, and we're very excited for the future of agriculture in this country. Production costs around the world have gone up, but what is interesting is that in the last 6 to 12 months, a lot of the factors that raise the prices of input costs have come down. A big destabilizing factor was obviously the war in Europe. But since that has settled down and the exchange rate has settled down, we see input prices going to come down. The Kenyan economy, as you know, is much more stable than it was 1 year ago. Interest rates have started coming down. Food prices have come down to an extent. And as long as it rains continuously, the short rains, I expect that input prices will come down and food prices will also keep coming down.
And I know the importance of regenerative agriculture, of sustainable agriculture, and there are lots of ideas how to do that in Israel, and we want to bring these ideas here to Kenya. We think that the potential of working together is huge between Israel and Kenya, Israel and Eastern Africa.
Objective, our aim is to advance or to bring technology to the agriculture industry. And part of the challenges that are there and which we aim to tackle, to assist, is more so the challenge of water. And we have a full-fledged irrigation system where we start from, we do dam lining, water harnessing, we do irrigations. The other thing we picked as challenge is the availability or the quality of the seeds. And this is where we come up with a production of quality certified seeds. More so, we are advancing technology there. The production of potato tubers, certified potato tubers. In our basket, we have Wanjiko, we have Shangi, and we have Unica. We have a few people in Kenya who are very blessed. More so, people in Molo, we do Nyeri, Moro, we do a bit of Nyandarua and a bit of Narok. I think our sort of seeds production, that's the future of agriculture.